In today's video, I'll show you on how you can easily disable Game Booster permanently on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Now I have opened up an application or game on my Samsung device, and you can navigate through the Game Booster setting quickly by once again opening up a game, and you will be able to see this line beside your screen. You can just swipe on it and this window will show up. You want to click on the gear icon on this page, or if you don't have this specific shortcut, you can also find the Game Booster settings by navigating through the phone settings itself. In here, just search for Game Booster and then click the Game Booster setting. It will then take us to the same window. Scroll all the way down, click the About Game Booster, click on the information icon at the top right corner of your screen. In here, you want to click the Game Booster setting option, or you want to navigate through the storage option. Click Clear Cache, click Clear Data, click on the Delete button, go back, and then you want to click on the Force Stop option. From there, this will completely stop the Game Booster on your Samsung Galaxy devices. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.